That's the gate. He's here.
Okay, get Kid away, Herbert, and open the door.
Hurry, Herbert. In you come, old friend.
Horrible weather, isn't it?
I'll say.
See, just a bit of what you might call magic, perhaps. So look at... It's just an ordinary looking paw.
Chill about it.
Right. This charm has had an unusual spell put on it. Anyhow, that's what they say. And no magician, fuck yeah, he wanted to show his village that fate is people's lives, and those who interfere with fate do so to their own sorrow.
How does it do that?
He put a spell so that 3 separate men could each have 3 wishes from it. Each of them has to own it, to have bought it, one from the next.
Well, if you could have another 3 wishes, Morris, would you want them?
I don't know. I really don't know.
What you doing?
Don't take it!
If you don't want it, sell it to me!
I won't take that! I'll throw it on the fire. If you keep it, don't blame me for what happens. Pitch it on the fire again, like a sensible man!
No, like I said, if you don't want it, I'll take it over. I wish for £400. It moved!
He was caught in the machinery. But in consideration of your son's services, and indeed your own when you're with the firm, they wish for me to present you with a certain sum as compensation.
How much have you brought this?
This envelope contains a cash sum of £400.
To have come here, to have found us out after all these years, just to do this to us?
Come to bed, Mom. Jean, it's cold now. The fire's gone out.
It's colder for our son.
Yeah, take it. I don't want anything more to do with it.
I can't do it. You're the owner. You're gonna have to do it.
What do you want me to say?
It's simple. Wish our boy alive again.
Good God, what are we turning to? We're both mad!